बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अप्रोचेस टू द स्टडी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स का लेक्चर 2 आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। तो इसमें जो हमने डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस की बात की थी, तो नेक्स्ट अप्रोच जो है वो है हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच। द मेथड स्टेट्स दैट पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी कैन बी ओनली अंडरस्टूड व्हेन द हिस्टोरिकल फैक्टर्स आर टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन. Its highlights on the study of history of every political reality to analyze any situation. Political theorists like Machiavelli, Sabine, and Dunning believe that politics and history are strongly interrelated, and therefore the study of politics always should have a historical viewpoint. तो हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच में क्या है? हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच में ये है कि जो हिस्ट्री में पॉलिटिकल साइंस के अंदर जो पॉलिटिक्स के अंदर इवेंट्स होते हैं उनको स्टडी किया जाता है और फिर उनको हाल में जो है उन पर अमल करके उनको लागू किया जाता है, उनको रिफाइन किया जाता है, या माजी को स्टडी करके हम मुस्तकबिल के लिए लाए अमल बना सकते हैं. तो Sabine considered that political science should include all those subjects which have been discussed in the writing of different political thinkers since Plato. Sabine क्या कहता है कि पॉलिटिकल साइंस में तमाम वो जो है ना शामिल होने चाहिए. वो कब से शुरू करता है? वो प्लेटो से शुरू करता है. History defines about the past as link it with present events. ठीक. Without studying the past political events, institution and political environment, the analysis of the present would remain largely imperfect. जब तक हम माजी के मुताला नहीं करेंगे, माजी के जो इदारे हैं उनको स्टडी नहीं करेंगे, उस वक्त तक जो हमारा प्रेजेंट है या जो हमारा फ्यूचर है वो नामुकम्मल रहेगा, इम्परफेक्ट रहेगा. इसमें मेन एट्रीब्यूट क्या है? मेन एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल मेथड इज दैट हिस्ट्री एज अ रिटन और रिकॉर्डेड सब्जेक्ट and focuses on the past event. From history, researchers come to know how man was in the past and what is he is now. History is the storehouse of events. From the profiles, autobiographies, descriptions by authors and journalist investigators know what event occurred in the past, कि क्या वाक़यात जो हैं वो माजी में हुए हैं. तो हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच में हम क्या करते हैं? हम हिस्ट्री की मदद से हिस्ट्री के अंदर जो इवेंट्स होते हैं उनकी मदद से हम पॉलिटिकल साइंस की स्टडी करते हैं, हम कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स की स्टडी करते हैं. तो अब इस पे क्रिटिसिज्म भी किया जाता है. क्रिटिसिज्म क्या है? द हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच टू द स्टडी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पॉलिटिक्स हैज numerous challenge from several quarters. One of the main supporter of the challenges is that history has two phases. One is documentation of facts, which is quite simple, and the other is explanation of facts and phenomena. The collection of evidence is to be judged from a proper perspective. The implication is that sufficient care should be taken while evaluating evidence and facts, and such a caution is not always strictly followed, and as a result the historical facts do not serve the purpose of those who use it. This is the main complaint against the historical approach to the study of politics. बाज़-औक़ात जो हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच है उसमें जो वाक़यात होते हैं उनमें वो इम्पार्शियल नहीं रहते. उनमें कहीं ना कहीं जो आथर है, जो थिंकर है, वो कहीं ना कहीं उसका झुकाव किसी तरफ हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से इम्पार्शियलिटी नहीं रहती है. एलन बॉल जो है has also criticized the historical approach. He debated that past evidence does leave alarming gaps, and political history is often simply a record of great men and great events, rather than a comprehensive account of total political activity. Very few historians interpret historical events and evidence broadly and freely. यानी एलन बाल का भी ये ख्याल है कि बहुत से जो ऑथर्स हैं उनका जो पर्सपेक्टिव है, वो जो बयानिया उनका है, वो फ्री नहीं होता। वो जो है ना, एविडेंस जो वो पेश करते हैं उनमें भी शकूक का शुबा पाया जाता है। तो इसलिए हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच के अंदर ये खामियां पाई जाते हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच के बगैर कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स की स्टडी हो ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि जब तक हम हिस्ट्री के वाकयात को सामने ही नहीं रखेंगे तो हम फ्यूचर के बारे में या जो प्रेजेंट है उसके बारे में कोई भी पॉलिसी नहीं बना सकते। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है जी इंस्टीट्यूशनल अप्रोच। इंस्टीट्यूशनल अप्रोच जैसा कि इसके नाम से जाहिर है कि इसमें किसी इंस्टीट्यूट का जिक्र किया गया है। There is a strong belief that philosophy, history and law have contributed to the study of politics, and it is in the field of institutional method. Institutional method is ancient and important method to the study of political science. The method mainly deals with the formal aspects of government and politics. Institutional method is concerned with the study of the formal political structures like legislature, executive, and judiciary. It focused on the rule of the political system, the power of the various institutions, the legislative bodies, and how the constitution worked. The study of institution has been dominated not only to the arena of comparative politics but to the political science field as a whole. Many writers have argued that institutions have shaped political behavior and social change. These authors have taken an institutionalist method, which treat institution as independent variable. The institutional method to the political analysis emphasis on the formal structures and agencies of government. It originally concentrated on the development and operation of legislature, executive, and judiciaries. As the method developed, however, the list is extended to include political parties, constitutions, bureaucracies, interest groups, and other institutions which are more or less continuing engaged in politics. अब इसमें मेन एट्रीब्यूट्स क्या हैं? In the descriptive institutional method, the stress is on facts rather than values. In other words, the approach provides documentary and historical answer to such questions as: number one, what are the historical source of parliamentary supremacy over the kingdom? What are the historical sources of parliamentary supremacy over the kingdom? What are the procedure followed when a bill becomes law? By what electoral arrangement or values are representative chooser? What are the relative merits and demerits of rigid and flexible constitution? Though descriptive institutional method is slightly old, political experts still concentrate chiefly on overlooking the major political institutions of the state, such as the executive, legislature, the civil service, the judiciary, and local government. And from these examination, valuable insights as to their organization can be drawn. Proposals for reform conversed and general conclusion obtainable. अब इसके ड्रॉबैक्स भी हैं, तो क्या हैं ड्रॉबैक्स? नंबर वन, इट्स नैरो focus on formal structure and arrangements. In far-reaching terms, an institution can be described as any continuous system of activity in any pattern of group behavior. More concertedly, an institution has been regarded as offices and agencies arranged in a hierarchy, each agency having certain functions and power. This method had been critiqued for the disregard of the informed aspect of politics, norms, beliefs, values, attitudes, personality, and the processing. Institutional method is also criticized for being too narrow. It ignores the values, it ignores the role of individuals who constitute and operate the formal as well as informal structures and substructures of the political system. Another problem is that the meaning and the range of an institutional system vary with the view of the scholars. Researchers of this approach ignore the international politics. तो जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल अप्रोच है इसमें इंस्टीट्यूशंस को हम डिस्कस करते हैं लेकिन इसमें हम सिर्फ इंस्टीट्यूशंस ही को डिस्कस करते हैं इंस्टीट्यूशंस को बनाने वाले जो लोग हैं उनका कोई जिक्र नहीं है तो इसके अंदर ये खामियां पाई जाती है लेकिन इसके बावजूद इंस्टीट्यूशनल अप्रोच के बगैर पॉलिटिकल साइंस की स्टडी नामुमकिन है और इवन आज के दौर में भी मॉडर्न जो साइंटिस्ट है पॉलिटिकल साइंटिस्ट वो भी इंस्टीट्यूशंस को स्टडी करता है उसके बाद है जी लीगल अप्रोच या लीगल मेथड तो इसका क्या है In the field of traditional, there is a legal or judicial method. Main attributes क्या है? This approach considers the state as the central organization for the creation and enforcement of laws. Therefore, this approach is associated with the legal process. Legal bodies are institutions and industry. And judiciary. In this approach, the study of politics is mixed with legal processes and institutions. This approach treats the states primarily as an organization for creation and enforcement of law. Main supporters कौन से? The main supporters are Cicero, Boden, Hobbes, John Austin, Dicey, and Henry Mann. In the system of Hobbes, the head of the state is highest legal authority, and his command is law that must be obeyed. Other scientists describe that the study of politics is bound with legal process of country and the existence of harmonious state of liberty and equality is earmarked by the rule of law, nationally and internationally. The legal method is applied to national as well as international politics. It stands on assumption that law prescribes action to be taken in given contingency and also forbids the same in certain other situations. It also emphasizes the fact that where the citizens are law-abiding, the knowledge of the law offer an important basis for predictions relating to political behavior of the people. Criticism. Though it is effective method but not free from criticism. This method is narrow. Law includes only one aspect of people's life. It can not cover entire behavior of political actions. तो इस तरह से ये हमारा मुख्तलिफ अप्रोचेस थी टू स्टडी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स ये ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोचेस थी जिनको हमने डिस्कस किया इसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो होगा वो भी अप्रोचेस कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स होगा लेकिन उसमें हम जो मॉडर्न अप्रोचेस हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे तो आज का ये हमारा लेक्चर इस तरह से खत्म